Whoa, back again for more gear that I love to splurge on. So I've been rocking an old school black diamond headlamp for a while. Had to keep going through batteries, and it takes 4 AAA batteries, and just after a while it just seems like just spending all my darn money on batteries all the time, especially when I'm going on multiple backpacking trips. So I went ahead and at the suggestion of a friend, went out and purchased the Fenix HM50R, the rechargeable headlamp. And the cool thing I liked about it, this is waterproof. How in the heck? I don't really plan on taking it in the water or underwater, but I also like the cold resistance as well, because as you all know, when you go out camping and if it gets freezing at night, batteries don't like to work sometimes, especially on your phones. I don't know why, but yeah, this is kind of a cool new piece of equipment I'm going to be using. And again, let's see. Oh man, this is going to be some difficult stuff here. So this box is basically like Fort Knox to get into, so I'm going to have to go ahead and open it, and we'll restart this here, pick back up where we left off. Alright, we broke the seal. Holy Lord. Wow. Alright, let's get on in here, see what's cracking. Empty boxes, good times. Any fun stuff on here? It's going to show you the beam of light. Probably just tells you how cool it is and how everybody else is not as cool. Yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so check this little dude out. Oh, yeah, you gotta be smarter than the box. Okay, there we go. I can pull it out. Get out. Okay, there we go. Break it on the first try. Wow. This is kind of neat. It's got a really sturdy metal feel to it. The band's pretty cool. Let's I'm just gonna try to turn it on and see what's going on here. Oh, apparently I'm pretty special. You probably have to charge it up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And this is another piece of equipment I'm gonna use this weekend to see how it fares out there. But so far, I mean, I like the band, the way it feels. It feels pretty nice. Imagine in this box, that's probably... Get on out of there. There we go. That is probably the charging cable. Yay! Unboxing stuff is fun. There we go. That's what we're looking for. What else we got here? Whoa. Apparently someone who doesn't know how to handle a box. Okay, let's see. Yay, alright. I don't know what in the world I'm grabbing. That looks like fun. What in the world? This is insane. Okay, I see what they did here. Sorry, I don't even know if I had that lined up, but this is basically a mini flashlight with a little holder right here. They just slid it in. That's innovative. Alright. So, apparently this thing rocks. I can't really tell you so far how well it does, because I need to charge it up. Once I do, I'm just going to go ahead and do some field video when we go out camping here this weekend out in Desolation Wilderness. But yeah, so this little Fenix HMR, or HM50R, it seems like it's going to be a pretty cool little headlamp. Lightweight, rechargeable. Hopefully the battery life's pretty good. But we'll go ahead and see how it fares.